How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to, I think this is part 3, correct? Yeah,
Should be part three.
Of, have we settled on a name? Is it Horsepower Rehab?
I like Horsepower Rehab.
That's fair. I haven't put out the second video yet, so I haven't made any changes to the name of the series yet. So from this point on, I guess that's what we're going to go with. Today, our goal is to hopefully get this thing to turn over with a starter. That's it. To get there, we have a bunch of auxiliary nonsense to do, and one of those is swapping that carburetor, which is magic to me. I don't understand anything. It doesn't have a computer attached to it, delivering fuel to an engine. So that's going to be Jim's job. But we're getting very close to this thing actually driving, which is super exciting, because not only have I never driven a 60s Mustang, I've never driven anything with a 351. So this is awesome, and I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, and I have a feeling Jim can as well, because he hasn't driven this car in about 2 years, which probably sucks. So in possibly the shortest intro of my life, let's jump into it. First thing we need to do is update the list. Did y'all see that? Already going insane, and we've only been here for like 5 minutes.
Yep.
All right, so first things first, we've figured out the water pump issue. We found out we had the wrong balancer on this engine. There's different versions. There's a 4-bolt and a 3-bolt for pulleys. Long story short, we had a 4-bolt, we needed a 3-bolt, so Jim bought a 3-bolt one. We're gonna have to bake it to put it on the engine, so that's gonna be a whole thing that we will do later.
It'll be fine.
So we can cross the water pump off. Actually, we should leave it on there until we actually put it on. We need to swap the carb. We need to put oil in it. We need to put the radiator in. Oh, the transmission. Yeah, that's a big one we need to do.
Transmission, we need to swap the torque converter around and get the transmission in it, and also top it up on fluid as well.
We need to do fuel as well. Allegedly, there's fuel in that tank, but since it's ethanol based and hasn't been touched in 2 years, part of me thinks that it might be water. So we're gonna have to check that out. It's gonna be a lot of like small things that kill us today. A lot of the hard part is already done, namely that the engine is in the car. So at this point, we just really need to do all of this stuff to make the engine actually push this thing in a direction we'd like it to go. Oh, we should check the brakes while we're at it.
Yeah, they're fine.
All right, cool. Let's, I guess in that case, let's get to work.
Yep.
Let's get that bolt out of there.
Bolt out, set it to top dead center, pull it.
Where's TDC in this?
Yes.
Ah, okay. So I'm glad one of us has an idea what we're doing. That's actually kind of cool.
What's that?
There's an add and a safe mark on the dipstick.
Yeah.
I wish they still did that. What the f was that?
Something's on the flywheel.
Oh, the intermediate plate is.
And I just went past top dead. I don't even know what stroke that is, though.
Is that top dead right there?
Yeah.
Right in the center there? I know this is a sin, but like, part of me just wants to say go back a little.
It's not a European engine. It's literally one chain, so.
Probably won't kill it.
Shouldn't.
All right, well, there's TDC.
What stroke it is, I don't know, but as long as the timing marks are lined up, that's all that matters.
In the right direction.
So you think we are swapping the carburetors? Just swap them?
Let me put you in active steady because my hand's shaky. So right now we have this secured on here. I'm pretty sure he pulled the little retainer off of the other carb. The problem we're having right now is this spring back here, it's just dark enough that you're not going to really be able to see it, has kind of unwound itself. Yeah, there you go. You can see it moving pretty freely there.
So it's not putting tension here.
So, so like this should all be wanting to move as one unit, but it isn't. And the thing is we have, so I referenced the part number from this carb, and we have over here, we have the other engine still. And the carbs are similar, but not quite the same. That one's also missing some stuff, but all of this is in one piece and actually working properly. So we think we're gonna just rip this off and stick it on that engine just to get this thing running.
Maybe.
but I don't think that it's a good idea to run it longer than just to get it running. Like we need it to idle once for a video, basically, but I don't think we'll drive it with that carb on it. So that's our plan for now. The air compressor just stopped. Let's get that pulley off so we can get the water pump on, because that has been the bane of our existence for a couple of weeks now. That was easy.
Okay.
Hey, is that lock on over there?
What are you eating? No, you ate it, you prick.
What did he get?
No idea.
Swallow it.
Yeah.
Well, you join us with the car up on the lift. I'm gonna not hit my head on that. But look under here. There's a couple of little rough spots up here, but like, you know, for an old 60s car, this thing's actually pretty good. Oh, I love this.
Yeah, whoever.
Head finder. We need to get that gearbox up here, but we need that torque converter off of that gearbox that came out of a truck that doesn't have all of the stuff that we need off of it to go into here. So we're gonna do that real quick. I need to find a place where you're not gonna get blown out by outside light. Cool. Oh, this has a new seal in it.
They both look newer, but
Holy f***, the ATF over here is just f***ing wild. They keep trying to take my guns too for some reason.
I definitely forgot my seal puller at work.
Really?
So,
Certified Mercedes technician.
yep.
So the seal looks good, huh?
Sure. Still should replace it.
Yeah, we definitely should. We're just have to figure out how to get it out. I like that at some point somebody clearly tried to rust-proof the bottom of the trunk back here, but they must not have mixed it properly.
Why is that?
It's just flaking off. Like the rust-proof paint is like peeling off, or it's lead-based. Delicious. Well, that's what I get for opening my big fat mouth. Well, if we didn't need to replace it before, we definitely do now. Oh, shit. So, tractor supply run?
4?
Pulley, or a pulley puller, a seal puller?
Nah.
And here we see the rare American caveman trying to do work.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh, God, you're Baja.
Is it working?
It's not working.
Dude, you almost...
I was staring at it the whole time. Fucking dumbass, but I just had an epiphany of where it might be.
Sure.
You know what this is?
No.
It's a seal fuller.
Show the audience. There you go. Yep.
I knew I had one somewhere. Fuck. Well, it's like you used the right tool for the job, right? Ow. Told you at least one more time.
The problem is like you're not even in frame when you do it, so I can just see the like sound.
And hear the ow.
Yeah. Are you pulling that insert out?
Oh, we are going back.
Was that insert coming out?
Yeah, it is, but it's
Is it bending the line?
yeah.
So we need to get this piece off, not this.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, okay.
That line's gonna crumble.
In the end, we decided to leave the lines on the transmission because we thought it would be much easier to do that instead of having to try to remake them when they inevitably broke, removing them. What could possibly go wrong?
I don't want to like loosen this all the way, but like, what the fuck? Whoa, there we go.
Okay.
Hey,
I can't. It's all you. Hey, that's all you.
it just fucking started sending it and it wouldn't stop. I don't know why you're complaining. I'm the one that got showered in ATF.
Now this is more ATF I have to buy. And look at these lines. They're all fucked now.
What did you want me to do about it? I'm working with the tools I have at just my disposal. All right. So for the problem here is that you didn't see any of that because we were focusing on the wrong thing. Because there is no way in sugar frosted that I could have predicted that. So basically what just happened is the trans jack here decided that it didn't want to go down. So when I was loosening that, it didn't go down. So I loosened it more and it still didn't go down. So I loosened it a little bit more. Jim put some pressure on the transmission. It started going down very quickly. So I tried to tighten it, but it was so loose that the transmission started to lean back and back and back. And now it looks like we killed someone. This is going great. Oh, and the battery's about to die. Swimming. Well, that was bound to happen at some point. Unfortunately, we've kind of hit a stopping point with this right now. The crank balancer is just not wanting to play ball, and unfortunately, my tool has kind of given up. The threads up there are completely destroyed. Probably because it's a Harbor Freight tool, but also probably because I've loaned it to people who have used impact tools on it. I think I've also used impact tools on it, come to think of it, but
We just used impact tools.
that too, but it was already like that, so whatever. I'll just go, it's a Harbor Freight, they'll warranty anything, so that's fine. I'll go do that this week, but unfortunately for today, that's gonna be a stopping point. Now, the catch here is I don't know if we're going to do another part after this or if we're going to add on the next workday to the end of this, because we didn't really do much today. I mean, the transmission's in the car, a drive shaft, carburetor's off. Jim will probably do that in his spare time when I'm not here, so might not get any video of him rebuilding that. It might just be good. On the other hand, I don't know when we're gonna meet next, so yeah, we'll have to see. This may cut from here to the next day, or it'll cut to an outro. So unfortunately, if it didn't just cut, that means this episode's over. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't get too beaten up. Sometimes projects hit roadblocks, especially stuff like this. I mean, this car is from 1968. That crank probably hasn't been removed from there for at least 40 years at minimum. So we'll get it done. Don't worry about it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here. Go leave a comment. Go tell me what you'd like to see with this car. Tell us what you'd like to know. Anything like that. Jim may be down in the comments. He can answer your questions. If you're a returning viewer, go leave a comment. Go tell me what you think of this project. And if you have something mean to say, go down there as well. It's all engagement. But yes, as always, with cars like this, sometimes things don't go as planned. But peace out, everyone.